Okay, we're in Gisborne. We're looking at this beehive that's in under this concrete slab. Actually, I had to crawl under the house just to confirm that the slab was separate to the rest of the build, which it is. The brick wall goes all the way down, so the hive's got a rather nice large heat signature in under the slab. The reason we're having to do it out of spring and summer is an electrician needs to get to this meter box, and they're not able to do that because the bees keep saying hello. So I'll use the brick and mortar machine to pull out the mortar between the bricks, which usually means bricks don't get broken unless they're already damaged like that one. So let's do this and see what we get. Okay, and here is the exposed hive. It's one of those ones where I'll actually have to dig out underneath it first, so that I can more easily work at getting the comb out. But okay, it's a rather nice large hive. Just skinny. Okay, I've dug out the hive, so now we can see the full extent. So there's some disused comb because of winter. They would have eaten the resources in it. We're coming into spring, so they would have been in the process of cleaning it out and getting ready to go again. But yeah, it's a flat, skinny hive, so awesome. Fingers crossed the queen doesn't run way back there, because I'm not sure how I'll get her, but let's play this game and see what happens. Okay, so here we have the queen, as always marked with a purple dot, because it's not used in the international marking of queens colouring to dictate the year of the queen, so we know it's an unknown date of or age of queen from the cutout. 4 frames of brood and honey. A lot of bees gathering up over there, and that's all the empty comb that I couldn't reach, and I had to break away and I'll clean it up, but it was more important grabbing the queen, obviously. So I'll put the queen in a cage, put it down between the frames, and close the hive and let the bees sort themselves out. Okay, so everything's in the box. I've left a bit of empty comb there. It's sort of like acting like a bridge. I've got to go to Almonds in Mildura tonight, so on my way out there I'll briefly stop back and just make sure the bees are doing what they're meant to be doing. But on the whole, it's looking pretty good. The dilemma with rough concrete is it's almost impossible to get all the comb out, so I've done the best I can for the moment. We'll see how the bees go. Okay, before I head up to Almond Pollination, I've just come back to check the bees, make sure they've also made their way towards the bee box, and as you can see, that's what they've done. So there we go. We do have a couple that are just playing around, but on the whole, all done. Tomorrow night, my lovely wife will come and collect the hive and take it to quarantine, because I'll be at Robin Vale. Anyway, another successful relocation.